Is your computer running slow nowadays? Do you know that you can speed up your computer for free using a simple Notepad trick? Yes. With just a Notepad, you can optimize your PC. Watch until the end because this video will show you how. Random access memory or RAM is a part of your PC which temporarily stores the necessary data needed for a program to execute. In some instances, as programs are closed, they leave small chunks of data in the RAM. These chunks of data are left unused yet take up space in the RAM. As more programs are run and terminated, the amount of idle data left in the RAM piles up and takes up a considerable space. This is not a problem if you have a lot of RAM to spare. But if you have 1 GB or less amount of RAM and you use RAM-intensive programs at the same time, then the issue becomes more apparent. Your PC slows down. There are a lot of softwares out there that offer RAM optimization and promise PC speed up for a certain fee. But if you do not want to shell out money in order to clear and optimize your PC's RAM, you can make your own RAM optimizer using Notepad. First, open your Notepad. Click Start and type Notepad in the search bar and hit Enter or click the Notepad icon as it appears. Type the following code in Notepad. Save the file with a VBS extension. You can name it however you want as long as you append the .VBS extension to the file name as you save. Open a new Notepad file. Type the following code in Notepad. Save it as a VBS file. In this case, we will name it Boost2. Run the 2 VBS files by double-clicking on them. Voila! There goes your do-it-yourself RAM optimizer. If you have problems with any of the steps in this video, please ask a question for more help, or post in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to get updated whenever I upload new PC tips videos.